This new rule change can help small traders or wipe them out forever. Which one is it going to be? On June 4th, 2026, the PDT rule is going to be effectively removed. That means that accounts under $25,000 will finally be able to day trade more than 5 day trades in a week. Is that there's going to be a lot of new traders coming in that might not have the experience to handle this new rule change, and you might be seeing accounts blowing up faster than you've ever seen before. This is a serious issue for smaller traders, and the best way to mitigate it is to up your knowledge account. This means studying, learning new strategies, reviewing your trades, and getting better every day. The PDT rule may be gone, but this is not free money. A lot of small accounts are about to overtrade. To help with overtrading, you gotta make sure that you're trading the setups that you know how to trade and you're not just trading random stocks. It's very easy to fall into the habit of just like trying things or just taking trades just to trade, but like it's super critical to not do that. This was the case for me years ago. Like I would like constantly overtrade, and because we don't have the PDT rule in Canada, it was like very easy to just trade until you've lost your entire account. This new rule does have some humongous issues when it comes to small retail traders. That's something to watch out for too. You might feel like you're encouraged to trade more, so you will take more trades. That's gonna end up hurting your account more than helping, because as a professional trader, you actually don't take that many trades. Honestly, like I probably take maybe a trade or two a day. And what you can expect to see in the market is increased volume and more setup setting up because of that for the experienced traders. So traders that have a lot more experience will be able to capitalize on these newer retail traders coming in. And effectively, the more that the smaller retail traders lose, the more the experienced traders will make. So it depends on which side of the scale you're on, whether you're on the smaller, newer trader or you're the more experienced trader. Another thing you'll see is more people will start getting into day trading. There's going to be a lower barrier of entry to doing day trading versus like swing trading. A lot of people already do that, but people that are like into sports betting or poly market, betting on current events, those people will finally be able to get into day trading. And also this includes like crypto traders as well. So there's going to be a lot of volume coming in, and this is going to be big for just setups occurring and the market improving, especially in small cap. It's been such a slow market the past couple of months. With the increased volume, that's likely going to pick up after June 4th, 2026. So make sure to mark this day in your calendar. Unfortunately, not all brokers will be using the rule on June 4th. They have around a 12 to 16 month window to actually implement these changes. So check with your broker, but this might mean a brand new era of day trading because we've been limited so much by the PDT rule. This thing only applies in America also. So as a Canadian investor, this doesn't really apply to Canadians or other foreign countries either, but like for Americans, this is like huge news. And there's a lot of capital in America too. So you can expect all the volume to pick up and like a lot of setups coming after June 4th. This may not be the thing that will vastly improve your trading. A lot of people are celebrating it. I think that you should be fearful of it. You should be scared. That's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Trade Floor for more trade talks,